Can everyone achieve financial freedom? The answer is yes. Financial freedom is the ultimate goal where your money works for you instead of you working for money. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey to unlock the secrets of financial freedom. It's not just about amassing wealth. It's about taking control of your destiny and living life on your own terms. Financial freedom isn't just a distant dream. It's a tangible goal that can transform your life. It's the freedom to pursue your passions, provide for your loved ones, and embrace a future full of endless possibilities. In practical terms, it means having enough passive income, money earned with minimal effort, to cover all your living expenses and achieve your financial goals. Passive income is the money earned without active involvement, like rental income from real estate, dividends from investments, or royalties from intellectual property. Passive income provides financial stability without requiring a 9-to-5 job. Financial freedom means that your passive income is sufficient to cover all your day-to-day expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and utilities. You're not reliant on a paycheck to make ends meet. Beyond covering basic expenses, financial freedom allows you to pursue your financial goals. Whether that's early retirement, traveling the world, starting a business, or supporting a cause you're passionate about. Imagine a person who, after years of diligent saving and investing, reaches a point where their passive income from investments and rental properties exceeds their monthly expenses. They have the freedom to retire in their 40s or 50s and pursue their dreams full-time. Whether that's traveling, writing a book, or volunteering. Now consider an entrepreneur who builds a successful online business. As their business grows, it generates a steady stream of passive income from product sales, affiliate marketing, or digital courses. With financial freedom, they have the option to scale down their active work and enjoy more time with family or explore new ventures. Now that we understand what financial freedom is, let's explore why it matters. Financial freedom isn't just a lofty aspiration. It's a game changer that can profoundly impact your life. First and foremost, financial freedom provides a sense of security and peace of mind. When your passive income can comfortably cover your living expenses, you're not constantly worrying about making ends meet or facing financial emergencies. Financial freedom empowers you with choices. You can choose to work because you love your job, not because you have to pay the bills. You can decide to travel, take a sabbatical, or start your dream business without the fear of financial repercussions. Studies have shown that financial stress is a leading cause of anxiety and depression. Achieving financial freedom can significantly reduce this stress, leading to improved mental and emotional well-being. With financial freedom, you can pursue your passions and dreams without compromise. Whether it's traveling the world, volunteering, or dedicating more time to a hobby, you have the freedom to do what you love. Perhaps most importantly, financial freedom gives you the gift of time. Time to spend with loved ones. Time to give back to your community. And time to focus on what truly matters in life. Now the question is, can everyone achieve financial freedom? The answer is yes. Your financial journey starts with a roadmap, a financial plan. Begin by setting clear, specific, and achievable financial goals. These goals can include paying off high-interest debt, saving for a home, or building a retirement nest egg. The key is to know where you're headed. Imagine you have a goal of paying off $20,000 in credit card debt within 3 years. Your financial plan will break this goal down into manageable monthly payments and track your progress toward becoming debt-free. Debt can be a heavy burden on the path to financial freedom. Develop a debt repayment strategy, such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method, to systematically pay off high-interest debts. This frees up money for savings and investments. Let's say you have student loans, a car loan, and credit card debt. By prioritizing the highest interest debt first, credit cards, you can eliminate it faster. Once that's paid off, You redirect those funds to tackle the next debt. Financial security begins with an emergency fund. This fund acts as a safety net, covering unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Consider a scenario where you face an unexpected medical expense or a sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund in place ensures that you can cover essential expenses without resorting to credit cards or loans. Relying solely on a traditional job may limit your income potential. Explore opportunities for passive income, such as investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or starting a side business. Multiple income streams provide financial security and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Imagine you invest in dividend stocks that yield regular income. Over time, these dividends can grow, providing you with additional money to reinvest or cover expenses without needing to work more. Investing is a powerful wealth-building tool. Consider a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Patient and disciplined investing can lead to substantial wealth accumulation over time. Suppose you start investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds at a young age. Over the years, your investments grow, and you benefit from compounding returns. By the time you reach retirement age, you have a sizable nest egg. Living within or below your means is a cornerstone of financial success. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Prioritize saving and investing over discretionary spending on non-essential items. By budgeting and reducing unnecessary expenses like dining out or subscription services, you can redirect those funds towards savings or investments, accelerating your path to financial freedom. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey. Stay informed about personal finance topics, investment options, and strategies to optimize your finances. Consider reading books, taking online courses, or seeking guidance from financial experts. Regularly review your financial goals and progress. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's paying off a credit card or reaching a specific savings milestone. Acknowledging your achievements keeps you motivated. Discipline is the glue that holds your financial plan together. Avoid impulsive spending, stick to your budget, and make financial decisions based on your long-term goals, not short-term desires. Financial advisors or planners can offer valuable guidance, especially when making significant financial decisions like buying a home, investing in complex assets, or planning for retirement. Their expertise can help you make informed choices. Once you've set your financial goals and taken steps toward achieving them, it's essential to regularly track your progress. Tracking allows you to stay accountable and make adjustments when needed. Imagine you set a goal to save $10,000 for a down payment on a home. By tracking your monthly savings, you can see how close you are to reaching your target. If you're falling behind, you can adjust your budget or seek additional income sources. Don't underestimate the power of celebrating milestones along the way. Achieving smaller goals on your path to financial freedom provides motivation and a sense of accomplishment. When you pay off a credit card, treat yourself to a nice dinner or a weekend getaway. These rewards can boost your morale and keep you enthusiastic about your financial journey. Discipline is the linchpin of financial success. Avoid impulsive spending and stay true to your budget and long-term goals. Remember that small sacrifices today can lead to significant rewards in the future. As your income increases, it's easy to succumb to lifestyle inflation, where you start spending more as you earn more. Instead, consider redirecting those additional earnings into savings or investments. If you receive a salary raise, consider increasing your contributions to your retirement accounts or allocating more funds toward your financial goals, rather than immediately upgrading your lifestyle. Life circumstances change, and so should your financial plan. Review your goals and adjust your strategies as needed. Be flexible and adapt to unforeseen challenges or opportunities. Suppose you initially plan to retire at 55, but a new career opportunity arises at 50. By updating your financial plan and adjusting your savings and investment strategies, you might find yourself in a position to retire even earlier. Consider finding an accountability partner, like a trusted friend or family member, or join a financial community or support group. Sharing your progress and challenges with others can help you stay committed to your financial goals. In summary, financial freedom is not a distant dream but a tangible goal that can transform your life. It's about having enough passive income to cover your expenses and pursue your dreams. Financial freedom provides security, flexibility, reduced stress, and the freedom to do what truly matters to you. Begin your journey today by setting clear financial goals, creating a financial plan, and taking actionable steps. Remember, financial freedom is achievable for anyone who is committed and disciplined. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more motivational videos.